watching the multi-video mashup part. You said.
I'm at 3.
Damien.
Yep.
Don't get on some
It's part
dry
3.
clothes.
But hey, let's show you this. Just to show you that his foot hurts. So 1 like equals 1 prayer for Damien's foot to feel better in 5 seconds.
Look, guys, come here. Look what happened. I'll show it.
Yep.
My foot was bleeding so bad that we had to clean it up with a towel. Then look at that blood right there, guys.
Yeah, that's
And then
bad.
come here. Look, there's more. It's probably.
I think this is a bad idea because it's storming.
Get in here, Damien.
I don't see any more blood. But see, guys, that's bad.
I
And
know.
look, guys, look at my foot.
Yeah, that is hurts. But anyway, we make a video about Damien's birds right here. It's the life of their birds.
Hey, guys, it's kind of a real lion.
Just run, Cameron. Come in here and get some.
Anyway,
Hey, I
You
found
have underwear on. Hurry.
a real lion.
Put it in the fridge, please.
anyway, we have a bunch of 2 of these birds. They're pretty shy, so do not open that. We got some bird food right there. Hey Cameron, do you wanna? Hey Damien, do you wanna hold the camera?
I need to get my shirt off.
Okay, I'll let you hold. Cameron, if you want.
Hey,
Yes.
can you come in here and get some mayonnaise?
Anyway,
Lettuce, tomato, and all that?
we have these 2 birds right there. Maybe a third, if I don't see it.
2, 4,
Wait, what? I'm gonna get a video about the birds. Yep, we got a yellow and green one and a white one. What are the names of the birds?
Look a little different.
Scholar.
Yeah, so those are the names of the birds. What's in the names of the birds? And my foot hurts as well.
Because those.
As far as her log, I looked at them.
Okay.
And what? And we were trying to make like a wormhole, a little wormhole, and we did pretty good until a storm came. So we could have done better.
That's rough.
Stop. We're gonna do that again soon. Like when the storm says.
It's spinning like slowly.
Like what do we do? What do we get started?
Spinning so slow.
Damien, I dropped my gum.
Don't come in here.
Wait,
Don't come in the closet. Do
wait,
not.
I'm not. But I need some change because I accidentally dropped the gum.
Why did you have it out of your mouth?
Because I was spinning around the pool and it fell out.
Get it out of the pool.
No, it's storming. I'm sorry, guys, but it's just we don't.
What do you think? Well, there's a storm.
Yes, it'll be fine.
Mom, it's okay, sweetie. Granny's awesome.
1 pound of it is now $6.24.
Yeah, this is what Craig said. I told you. He said go buy out all meat. It's fixing to skyrocket. There's a meat shortage.
Do not put that there.
Pile up thousands of dead pigs because they couldn't use the meat or something in New York or somewhere. Like there's a meat shortage and everything's fixing up. So we gonna be vegetarian. I'm gonna cook cauliflower steak.
Anyway, so yeah.
Honestly, at this point, hamburger helper.
Yeah, so it's gonna make a video. It's almost
Probably
the video's almost done. This is gonna say one more thing, and it's the birds are very shy.
Yeah, they are very shy.
Yep. But it's gonna see one more footage of this one.
Cameron, what's he watching?
Cameron, what are you watching?
House.
Nevaeh? Come on now.
It's almost over, so let's say like and subscribe and leave a like if you think these birds are cute. Cause that's to me. And see you next time on the multi-video mashup, part 3.
Get down.